On your mark.
Yes, let's go.
Say, hello friends, welcome to the second edition of the LZ Grand Prix. We have a treat for you today because two young ladies will be vying to be called champion of this prestigious event. They are Layla Reid and Zara Reid. Let me know which side you are on. They'll be contesting three events. One, the 100-meter dash, the tricycle clash, and the bonus event, the Cracker Jacker. Soon tell you what that means. But for now, let's take a walk over to the Athletes Village where we can show you the facilities and the setup for today's event. Okay, so as promised, here is the Athletes Village, one of a kind, COVID compliant, and we will now show you a quick peek inside. We aren't sponsored yet, but we have Capri Sun, Holiday Snacks, and Saldanza. We will then show you the vehicles that they will be using for the tricycle clash. Look at them right there, nice close up. This will be ridden by Zara Reid, and this will be ridden by Layla Reid. Finally, and of course it's always important to have somewhere to relieve yourself, so we have set up for each of them their own potties. I believe this one is Zara's and this belongs to Layla. Let me give you a little demonstration. And even the potties are ready and ready to go. Okay, as we mentioned before, the stadium is empty because of COVID. We are compliant, but we do still have the race officials to record the official time. So the first race official to be introduced is Mommy Tina. And our second race official is the one and only big sister, Hannah. Okay, so it's time for the first race, the 100-meter dash. Layla Reid already settled in her blocks. Zara's receiving instructions from the starter. And okay, I think that he's now comfortable. And I think the race is, oh, Zara's back up again. I think they're okay now. And yes, let's go race side. On your marks. Get set, go, 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 go. Okay, the officials need to see the photo finish angle. Let's look at it closely. So Zara gets up out of her dry face in the lead midway and she holds on for the win. Let's look at that amazing win one more time. Zara, with her mission in mind, gets up out of the blocks, maintains the lead. Hold on one second, guys. There's some word from upstairs. It seems as if they're oh, we're seeing it now. Let's look at it closely. And Zara, she has registered. Oh my, that's a false start there. She's definitely gone ahead before the start. Let's look at the motion right now. That's more than a jerk, guys. That has to be disqualified. So the athletes make their way back up the track to face the start another time. We understand that Zara has been allowed to re-enter the race as there is only one other competitor. And they're ready for us race side. Let's go.
Ready? Let me try everything is behind the line.
Mama.
Ready? So go again. On my mark, get set, go!
So we see there from this angle, different race, same result as Zara nips it at the line in victory. So one event down and Zara is ahead, and Layla has her game face on for the tricycle clash. She's taking nothing for granted, guys. Look at that determination. She presses toward. Oh, just what a test run of her bike there. Zara leisurely, quietly confident. Let's go to the starter.
All right. On my mark, get set, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
So let's take this one a little slower from this angle. We think we know who the winner is, but just to be sure, we are taking another look. And they're off, evenly paced. And the cat runs across quickly because of the fierce engines. And Layla doing the Usain Bolt there. Following in the steps of the great man, she looks across at her opponent as she crosses the finish line. What confidence there by Layla taking the tricycle clash.
So as promised, we have the final race, the Cracker Jacker. So again, we're not yet sponsored, but these are Excelsior cheese crunches. 10 in plate green, 10 in plate blue. Now the rules of the game are each competitor will be given the plate at the same time, and we put 1 minute on the clock. The competitor who has eaten more of the crackers at the end of that time period will be declared the champion. For their comfort and leisure, we have allowed them to do this race in the athletes' village. One more shot of the competitors, and we will begin with 1 minute on the clock. Ready? So babies, we're going to eat as many crackers as they want, okay? 1 minute on the clock. Time, Mr. Timekeeper? Confirmed?
Yep.
Okay. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Eat. Ten seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, plates down, everybody. Plates down. Plates down. Okay. So in blue plates, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crackers left. In green plate, what is this, guys? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 crackers left. It's a tie. It's a tie. And what a way to bring down the curtain to these exciting events. Alright, so the activities are over. And you can see that they're just unwinding in a little splash pool. But it's very fun. Those things are good for relieving stress and so forth. Remember, if you're here for the first time, you can click to see our first video right here, a welcome video, so you can get to know us and what we're about. And also, if you're here as a subscriber, feel free to share with your kind of content. Let your friend know, let them share with a friend. Subscribe because we want to grow with you. Alright, what's the motivation for doing this activity today? Well, we know that COVID came and kind of just arrested what was normal. And we were here in March. As I said, it was the second edition of the LZ Grand Prix because we did this before. We were here at home, they couldn't go to school, they were training. You can hear them saying on your mark, get set, go, because we were training for sports day before COVID came. So we decided to come out here and allow them the opportunity to just run up and down exercise, and as much as it is relief for them, it is also a relief for us as well. My encouragement to you guys, especially in this COVID time, when you're at home, spend time with the kids. It's important. The Bible says that children are heritage of the Lord. Ensure that you are, as you are stewards of your children, that you take responsibility for it in a serious way. Allow them to have fun. Allow them to have them fun, and just continue to steer them in the right way, right? Alright, you can also follow us on our other social media platform. On Instagram, we are Me and My House, and the link is right here. So follow us there. We are excited to grow with you. It's going to be a fun ride. As I tell you, some of the things that we have coming up, the family can sing. So God has blessed us with talents. I can play instruments. Tina has a beautiful voice. Hannah has a beautiful voice. And these babies love to sing and dance. And trust me, a lot of excitement to come. We're happy to have you. Again, share with your friends, subscribe, and allow us to grow with you. Take care.
Your mark. Layla, look at Baylor. After 3, 1, 2, 3. On your mark. Say on your mark. Hold on. Say.
Playing, yes, playing. All right. Yes, meh, goat.